Forests are vital to our planet. They cover 1/3 of the land and provide homes and shelter for humans and wildlife. Over 1.6 billion people rely on forests for their livelihoods, for food, traditional medicines, and firewood to cook their meals and heat their homes. But our forests are under threat. Around 13 million hectares are lost each year from deforestation, an area roughly the size of England. With our population growing by around 80 million people a year, there is simply too much competition for land. From Indonesia to the Amazon, forests are turned into agricultural land, cattle ranches, oil palm and soy plantations, and it's having a devastating effect. What can we do to protect our forests? Leaving all forests untouched is not a solution. That puts them at risk of being converted to other land uses. Here at PEFC, we believe the solution is to use forests responsibly and to use wood products from forests that are certified as sustainably managed. If there is one thing you can do to help, it is to buy certified products. That is why you should choose PEFC. PEFC, caring for our forests globally.